Therefore, it's not ending here. I don't have the powers to make Anim State to come to pass. It's a process. They be open-minded. If the president or the powers that be in the country says, yes, we want Anim, but you can expand the territorial parameters for accommodation to the larger, please accept it. Let me repeat myself. We want Anim State, but if the powers that be in the process of approving this recommend that they have no expansion to make sure that the horizon, the parameters of your territorial jurisdiction is increased, not shrinking you, but expanding you. Please accept that. I will not do that. I say so because it is all about development. It's all about give and take. It's all about, I don't want us when it gets to that level of negotiation, you will now lose what you are trying to get. You said no, you'll be obstinate. No. According to the saying, come on, everyone you are in English, it means if we are pursuing an antelope, if we are going to run away from us, slowly, let us cut the tail and let the tail and say we have something in our hand. So when we get to that level of negotiation, please be open-minded, please be broad-minded. I will be in that room, and I want your support to make sure that at the end of the day, what matters is for Igbo and work together with one another. You cannot do this alone without involving the governors of the South-Eastern states. Please, let me get lie to you. All the governors, not one governor, all the governors of the South-East, especially the affected area, must come into agreement. So this problem is not just doing me courtesy call, doing this courtesy call, and we don't have no. Draw up the stakeholders engagement list. And in that engagement list, include all the 5 governors of the Southeast. Reach out to them. You see all these members who are here, they are the ones who are going to vote. Please, if you have any northern friend, embrace him. If you have any southwestern friend, embrace him. If you have south-south friend, embrace him. Because they are going to be in the room when you will not be there, when the vote will be called. My vote alone cannot be, I won't even have a vote, because I'll be presiding. I'll be presiding. So we need to get more friends to be on our side. And because I know they are not coerced into agreeing to give extra state to Southeast, the president will not be averse to this because he's a lover of Igbo. I'm sure we'll fine-tune this and make sure at the appropriate time that this is done.
The man talking in that video is Honorable Benjamin Kalu. He is the Deputy Speaker of the House of Reps of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He said that Anim State agitators should be open-minded that if the president or the powers in the country responsible for state creation decides that they will create Anim State only if it will expand the territorial parameters of the Southeast to be larger in landmass, that Anim State agitators should accept it. He repeated himself by saying it again. He said that if the powers responsible for state creation in the process of approving it recommends that any state that should be created for the Southeast is to expand the landmass and parameters of the territorial jurisdiction of the Southeast to be increased, to expand and not shrinking the Southeast, that Anim State agitators should accept it. He said that if Tinubu and the National Assembly says that any state that should be created for the Southeast is to expand the landmass of the Southeast, is to increase the parameters of the Southeast, then Anim State will never be created because Anim State did not qualify in that category. We have been saying this thing countless times that Anim State is not qualified to be the 6 states in the Southeast. Anim State is not a plus to Ndi Igbo, but a minus. Anioma State is far more qualified than Anim State. Ada State is far more qualified than Anim State. The problem of Anim State agitators is greed and selfishness. Every politician wey get sense know say Anim State is not a plus to Ndi Igbo. The only benefit of Anim State to the Southeast is one more governor for the Southeast 3 more senators for the Southeast, and 6 House of Reps members for the Southeast. These are the only things that Anim State will offer the Southeast. That's all. Anim State will be carved out from Anambra State and Imo State to create that Anim State. The same resources in those places that are being carved out to create Anim State, they are already Southeast states before. Nothing hard. Now, see, just they the only thing we say, they just want map that place out, call them 6 Southeast states. Ndị Igbo are indigenous in Kogi State and in Benue State. Those Igbos are suffering in those locations that they occupy in Kogi and Benue State. They want to join their brothers in the Southeast. And that is where Adada State comes in. Adada State will bring back the indigenous Igbos in Kogi and Benue to join the Southeast. But Anim State will never do all these things. And that is what Benjamin Kalu is telling those Anim State agitators. On the 11th of March 2026, Anim State agitators, Senator Osita Izunaso, and other people that are agitating for Anim State with him, went to the National Assembly to see the Deputy Senate President, Senator Jibrin, telling him that they should support Anim State, that Anim State is the most qualified state that should be created for the Southeast. You want to map out land from Anambra and Imo to create a state, and you are saying that is the most qualified state to be created for the Southeast. Anioma State is bigger than the proposed Adada State and Anim State. Anioma State is bigger than the entire Anambra State. Anioma State is bigger than the entire Imo State. Anioma State is bigger than the entire Abia State. If Anioma State joins the Southeast, it's a plus to the Southeast. Anioma State will give the Southeast more land mass, more resources, more population. It will strengthen the political strength of the Southeast. It will give the Southeast 1 governor, 3 more senators, and 6 House of Reps members. You see, so Anioma State is the most qualified state that should be created for Ndị Igbo. Anioma State is the oldest state agitation in Nigeria. We started agitating for Anioma State since 1938. This year, 2026, made it 88 years now. All these other states, Anim State agitation, it never passed 30-something years or 20-something years where they start to agitate for those states. Now, we are still agitating for that Anioma State. And Anim people are here saying that Anim State is the most viable state that should be created for Ndị Igbo. The National Assembly said that 1 more state should be given to Ndị Igbo. They did not say that the state must come from the Southeast. So many supporters of Anim State are saying on social media that the National Assembly said that the state belongs to the Southeast, that the state should come from the Southeast. That is a very big lie. What the National Assembly said is that a state should be created for the Southeast. Whether the state is from the South or from the Southeast, let 1 state should be given to the Southeast. Benjamin Kalu told Anim State agitators to make friends with Yoruba, Hausa, and South politicians for support to create Anim State. Those friends that he is talking about are senators, House of Reps members, and other politicians from the Southwest, Northern Nigeria, and the South. So, Anim State agitators, you people will now be going to Yoruba politicians, Northern politicians, and South politicians, telling them that they should not support Anioma State, that they should support Anim State, that Anim State is the best for the Southeast. We know that you people don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast already, because we know the plan in this country. For you to benefit and for we Anim people to benefit, let's join hands together and sabotage this Anioma State. They will be telling Northerners, we know that you people don't want Anioma to join the Southeast, because if Anioma joins the Southeast, it will strengthen the political strength of Ndị Igbo. it will increase the population of Ndi Igbo. It will increase the resources of Ndi Igbo. Don't support Anioma State. Let's do everything possible to sabotage Anioma State creation. We Anim agitators know that you Northerners have so many crude oil wells in Anioma land. We don't want Anioma people to join the Southeast because we Anim people, we want to take this slot. We want to get Anim State. Join hands with we Anim people to sabotage Anioma State and get this Anim State. You politicians from Northern Nigeria, Southwestern Nigeria and the South should say that you want one more state from the Southeast and not from the South for Anioma people to join the Southeast. That the state should come from the Southeast. And then people will be telling these politicians from other geopolitical zones in Nigeria that they heard what Benjamin Kalu said, that if the National Assembly and Tinubu says that any state that they should create for the Southeast should be a state that will expand the landmass and parameters of the Southeast, that they, the politicians from other geopolitical zones, should be telling Tinubu and the National Assembly that they don't want to expand the Southeast, that they should just give the Southeast one more state. They should give them Anim State. This is what these Anim State agitators will be telling Northerners, Southwesterners, and South politicians. Senator Izunaso, you go talk, say you don't know this is why they talk so. You know the importance of Anioma State to the Southeast. Senator Izunaso, you know that Anim State has no benefits to Igbo nation. The only benefits now, the South is not house state. You people were here when Buhari said that the Southeast is landlocked, that the Southeast is a dot nation. Now, you want to create a state again from that small Southeast. You are pushing we Anioma people away. We Anioma people that have been clamoring to make sure that Anioma State is being created and zoned to the Southeast. Our indigenous Igbo brothers in Edo State are suffering, complaining of marginalization in the hands of Ile Binu people. We want to get Anioma State to bring them back to Anioma land and join the Southeast. Una dey here, carry Anim State. They talk say, una won't get Anim State. Say Anim State is the right choice for Ndi Igbo. It's so bad. Na bad thing e be. I always say this, that Ndi Igbo love themselves. But so many Igbo politicians don't love Ndi Igbo. Now our politicians be our problem for Igbo land. Because greed and selfishness no go allow so many of them do the right thing. Anim State agitators and sponsors only want to have Anim State just because that Anim State area have so many crude oil wells and gas deposits. If they get that Anim State now, they don't render Imo State useless because now oil producing areas they collect for that place to create that their Anim State. Benjamin Kalu said that all the governors of the Southeast, especially the governor of Anambra and Imo State, should come to an agreement for Anim State to be created. Governor Soludo, you heard what this man said now, that you and Hope Uzodinma should come together to have an agreement for Anim State to be created. Anambra State is the second most smallest state in Nigeria after Lagos State. Governor Soludo, if you approve it, then you don't have love for Ndi Igbo. Then you are against Igbo unification. Then you are against every struggle that Senator Ned Nwoko have been struggling to see that Anioma State is being created. Then you are against the indigenous Igbos in Edo State to join Anioma State through boundary adjustments. The person sponsoring this Anim State is Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State. He just put his Izunaso for that place as person where I go dey see. Make people they talk say, okay, now Izunaso they sponsor this thing. Izunaso does not have what it takes to sponsor the bill for state creation. This is not an insult. I know what I'm saying. Governor Hope Uzodinma, he get the money to sponsor the bill for state creation. Do you know what it takes to lobby senators, House of Reps members for them to support the creation of a state? 97 senators in Nigeria supported the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. And you people are here talking about the creation of Anim State. What is the benefit of Anim State to Igbo nation, Senator Izunaso? What is the benefit of Anim State to Ndi Igbo? We are talking about expanding the southeast. Una they shrink southeast. We know that the governor of Abia State, Governor Alex Oti, he is the best governor in the southeast. If una go meet at the tell and say make you support Anim State, you go tell una no say the righteous for Ndi Igbo is Anioma State. The governor of Ebonyi State, me no say he go support Anioma State. But you can't trust politicians. Because as e be now, Governor Hope Uzodinma and all these governors for the southeast, all of them are friends. Anything can happen. But I'm here telling you, governors in the southeast, that you people should do the right thing by supporting the creation of Anioma State. Anioma State is a plus to Ndi Igbo. If Igbo nation get Anioma State, then the problem what we face for this country don't end. And that's because it will increase our political strength as Ndi Igbo. We go to speak with one voice. Identity crisis will end. Check the landmass of Anioma. Check the population of Anioma. Check the resources in Anioma land. All these things are a plus to the southeast. If we talk now, some people go say, some Anioma people are saying that they are not Igbo people, that they don't want to join the southeast. Our traditional rulers for Anioma land, they thought they won't join southeast. We the youth for Anioma land, they thought they won't join southeast. Okwaneka, Oshimi, and Anocha, they thought they won't join southeast. The indigenous Igbos in Edo State, Ibanka people and others, they said that they want to join the southeast. We have done so many protests and rally, telling the world that we want Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. We have done conferences. Name it. Waiting we Anioma people never do to show the world say we want Anioma State. So anyone that is saying, some Anioma people are saying that they don't want to join the southeast. Anybody where they listen to that person a person where be say he no wants Anioma State to join the southeast. They are just using that as an excuse. Some are saying some politicians from Anioma land are against the creation of Anioma State. Who are those politicians? No mind all those people. If not a referendum, let we Anioma people do a referendum. Let the population of Anioma people do referendum where they want to be, and we see that our voice will overshadow the voice of those selfish politicians from Anioma land that don't have sense. Because any politician for Anioma land where they against the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning, that politician na will not get sense. Na we be. Politicians don't know the pain of we Anioma people. Come on, my place, we dey suffer for that place. How are we going to get Anioma State if we don't join our southeast brothers? At what year they go start to dey propose say make they give south one more state? Make we not get Anioma State, make we not join southeast. The southeast is not stable. IPOB this, IPOB that. The southeast is the safest geopolitical zone in Nigeria. People that don't know the importance of having a state. Anioma State where we say only Okwaneka, Oshimi, and Anocha people dey inside. Una say una no want am. If you are from Anioma and you are hearing my voice, you dey watch this video, support the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning. Make we get Anioma State, make we better our land. Benjamin Kalu have told Anim State agitators what they don't want to hear, but you don't tell them. Any state that will be given to the southeast is a state that should expand the southeast, not shrinking it. With that statement, Anim State people, una don't lose that slot. They will never create Anim State for the southeast. The state that will be created for the southeast is Anioma State. Anioma State creation and the southeast zoning is a done deal. They don't create Anioma State finish. Now may they just call results. Congratulations to Senator Nwoko. Congratulations to we Anioma people. We have done our best. We have done everything possible to see that Anioma State will be created and zoned to the southeast. Anioma State creation and the southeast zoning is a done deal. And there's nothing Anim State agitators can do about it. Ishiagwale.